Alright, and welcome back on this channel. So today we are back with another video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you a VPN app which will help you to secure your connection at the area of security when you are browsing online. So let me take this chance to welcome all viewers or subscribers of this channel, that you are highly welcomed. So today's app, it's on Google Play Store. So you head over to your Google Play Store where you can search and install Android apps. And when you reach here, you are required to search for this app. The app is known as Maya Tun. So it's Maya Tun Pro. And on this channel, we share apps that can help you to secure your connection at the area of security when you are browsing online. And in today's video, this app will help you to secure your connection at the area of security when you are using the internet. So the app is known as Maya Tun Pro. So you pick this one among the presented, and you can take note of its name and its icon. Then you can install the app, and after installing this app, you open it to do some settings. And when you open the app, it will take you to its home screen where the configuration begins. So when you reach on its home screen, you are required to set it up. So first of all, you are required to update its resources. So you tap on this arrowhead icon right here, the update resources button right here. So when you tap on it, the app will start to check for the available updates, and it will update to the latest version. By doing so, this app will provide you with the best speed and the latest configuration so that you can secure your connection. And the other setting is you are required to pick a server. So you can either pick the UDP server, or you can pick the auto server. So today I recommend you to pick auto server. This is because auto server will help this app to automatically pick a super fast and a stable server in your location. And after that, you are required to pick a connection method. So in today's guide, I recommend you to pick this all countries UDP, or if UDP is not working for your country, you can browse along the list, or in the search bar you can search for your country name, and by doing so you will be able to secure your connection. For example, in case you are from Tanzania, you can search and then you can pick your country name. Whatever country you are from, you can simply search, and then you will be able to see your country settings. In case your country supports UDP, you can simply come here, then you search for UDP. So for today's guide, we are gonna pick the all countries UDP. Reason because it is fast and secure, and it is working for all countries which support UDP. And after doing that, you are required to add on the hours. So this app, in case you start it, it can run out of time. So you can tap on this add time button, and when you tap on this add time button, this app will start to add on the connection time, keeping you connected on the secure connection for a long session. So note that in case the app runs out of time, it will stop working. So make sure to utilize this button, and then you add on your connection time. And to insert a super fast and a secure connection when you are using this app, Maya Tun Pro, you are required to tap on this start button. And when you tap on this start button, you give this app a few seconds for it to connect. And as you can see, the app is right now connected. The status says connected. And that's how we set up Maya Tun Pro with all countries UDP settings to get a super fast and a stable connection, extra protection as you are browsing online. Please like this video, subscribe on this channel, and comment in the comment section, and let's meet again in the next video.